Okay, today we're going to talk about how to create enrollment templates within your new partner portal that then you can attach to these app submit profiles that you can email to merchants. So I know that sounds like a mouthful. We're going to go through it step by step and show you exactly how to do that. What you want to end up with as a final product is a little URL link that you can either embed in your website, you can email to a merchant that they can then finish an application or click on your website link and take you directly into the application, and a merchant can finish that application and submit it. So let's talk about how to do that. Here you are in your partner portal and you'll see the enrollment link over here, right? And you see here we have some existing templates that kind of made up that you can start the application that way. But if you go to this templates icon right here, and you're going to go into your existing templates that may have been created. They may have been pulled over from our old system and show up here. But you can start a new template right here. And I want to walk you through the whole process. So let's try this. Start a new template. You need to name the template. And let's call this a retail template. And I have a few of them in there, but let's call it number 3. Retail number 3 template. Save and continue. And when that gets done there, you'll be able to walk through and create your template, and then we're going to go ahead and do this. The first thing you have to do is obviously you have to add equipment. So let's call this a pretty basic template. We're going to call it an ICT 220 as the equipment. It's free equipment. It's what is the template that we'll create. No debit, no printer. If any of this changes, obviously you can change all this stuff if it's an IP connection, if you don't want it to auto close, all that good stuff. But it's a retail template. And now we'll work on the pricing real quick, and we're going to make this just a standard interchange plus pricing. Make this a very basic template. And obviously you can create lots of different templates and price them however you want with whatever equipment you want. And I'm just showing you the process on how to do this. So this is interchange plus. Let's make it 50 basis points, and let's make it 10 cents a transaction. Okay. And on this one, let's say we don't want to do an annual fee, we don't want an account set up, and we'll have all these other fees apply. We do want to do a monthly PCI rather than an annual, and we're going to do it on a BMO application. Okay, so we're setting up this enrollment template that you can use for any merchant. Okay, but whatever merchant that you think meets these. Or this template would meet their requirements, you can use. Now, that's ready for use. Now, if we go over here to Tools, okay, and we create an App Submit profile in Tools, you'll see some of these App Submit profiles have already been created, but if we want to create a brand new one using the template that we just created, see here it even says create templates in enrollment template manager, and then you attach those templates here to the app submit profiles. Okay, so rep name, you put your name in there, your email address, and then down here what's the campaign name, and we'll call the campaign retail 5010. Okay, 50 basis point 10 cent transaction. If you have a website, you put it in there as the account active. It's an app submit, and we're going to link our template. Okay, there it is right there, retail 3 template. And when we save this, you're going to see what happens here. It's actually going to give us a URL that you can use. Here's your apply link right here. Okay, so this apply link you can use to embed in a website if you'd like. If you have a website, you can embed that if you know how to do that on your end. You can also send this, email that to a merchant. You'll see what it looks like if you just simply put that into your web browser, and it'll take you right to the application that the merchant would be ready to submit. And I'm going to go ahead and do that just so you can see real quickly what that looks like. Okay, so if we copy that and we go to our browser and paste that into the browser, this is what your merchant would see. Okay, and you can see the URL there with the specific template that we've created, the app submit profile that we've created. And it'll just take a second here to take us to the site, and you'll see what the merchant is actually going to get on their end. There it is. So it takes you right to this page here. You'll see the app ID, and that ID is associated with that app submit profile that you just created, with that template that you just created, with that pricing, that equipment, and everything that you need for the merchant to complete the application and get up and running. So hopefully that helped you understand how to create templates. how to then attach those templates to App Submit profiles, and then the options with the URL that's created through the App Submit profile. So any questions, reach out to your partner relations advisor. They can help walk you through this process. But those are the basics on how to create an App Submit profile with a template attached to it. Have a great day.